Good morning, students. And we were doing exercise 15C, question number till 14. We have finished. Now we will start question number 15. A room is 26-meter long and 15-meter wide. A 14-meter square carpet is laid on the floor. Okay. What area is not carpeted? That we have to find. So, first of all, according to the question, we have to see the dimension which is given in the question. So dimensions means length, breadth, height, whatever this is called as a dimension. So in this question, dimension of room is given length 25-meter and breadth 15-meter. Okay. Now if it is given length and breadth means it is a rectangular. So area of room is equal to length into breadth, means area of rectangle formula we have to use here. So length you can put 26-meter and breadth we can put 15-meter. When you will multiply, you will get 390 meter into meter square. Now next is length of edge or length of a carpet, which is given 14-meter. You can see in this question number 15 here, a 14-meter square carpet, okay, means length, or we can say the side of a square carpet, it is given 14-meter square carpet. So we have to find the area of square, okay, because it is in shape of a square. Area of carpet we have to find, which is formula side is square. Area of square formula is side is square. No, so length or side or edge, which is given 14-meter in this question. So in place of side I can put 14. 14 square means 14 multiply with 14, 196 meter square. Now the question is, what area is not carpeted? So we have to find area of room which is not carpeted. So how we can find area of room not carpeted is equal to area of room, this we found that, minus area of carpet. Okay, so area of room we got 390 meter square, minus area of carpet we got 196 meter square, that you will subtract. So you will get area of room not carpeted 194 meter square. Okay, this is the solution of question number 15. Now we will see question number 16. So in question number 16, how many meters of carpet 75 centimeter wide will be required to cover the floor of a room which is 12 meter long and 8 meter wide? Okay, here we need to find, see, how many meters of carpet means here what we have to find, width of carpet is given 75. Okay, wide means width of carpet is given 75, and we have to find the length of carpet. Okay, and then first of all you will write here area of room we will find, because length area of room means length of that room and breadth of that room, which is given here in this question number 16, 12 meter long and 8 meter long. You know that in this question here required to cover the floor of a room की लेंथ और ब्रेथ दी हुई है 12 मीटर एंड 8 मीटर. Okay, so if we will get area of room, length into breadth, it is a, when length and breadth is given means we have to find the area of room, area of rectangle, 12 into 8 we will apply, so it will come 96 meter square. Okay, then width of carpet is given in 75 centimeter. So see, we got area in meter square, so this one also we need to convert into meter square, meter. So that time 75 centimeter, when you will convert into meter, so we have to divide by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That's why we will convert this centimeter into meter. Centimeter is a smaller unit than meter, that time we have to divide, okay, by 100. So it will come 0.75 meter. Before 2 digit we have to put the decimal point from right to left. Then area of room, area of room is equal to area of carpet, because if it is a rectangular room, so area of carpet should be a rectangular. Okay, so area of room we got 96 meter square, we can put here, and area of carpet, both are the rectangular, so we can apply here formula length into breadth. Length we have to find, so we will write L as it is. Breadth we have 0.75 meter. Now we have to find a length, so we will transpose this 0.75 into right hand side. It is in multiplication, while transposing it will go in division. Okay, so 0.75. So when you will remove the decimal point, so after decimal 2 digits are there. Okay, so we will put 2 zeros in numerator. In numerator only 96 is there now. When you will remove the decimal point after the decimal 2 digits, so in numerator we will put 20. Now it will become 99,600 upon 75. Divide, you will get length 128 meter. Okay, so this is the solution. Now see question number 17. Now see question number 17. Okay, so what is given in question number 17? We will see first. How many rectangular tiles 10 centimeter by 7 centimeter will be required to cover a floor 14 meter by 12 integer 1 upon 2 meter? And what will be the cost at rupees 5 per 100 tiles? So here what we have to find in this question, that we will see first. We have to find first the number of tiles required and cost of tiles. Okay, that two things we need to find here. So we can do like this way. See, first we will write dimension of rectangular sheet, which is dimension means length and breadth, so which is given 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So after getting dimension, we can find area of rectangular tiles, which is length into breadth formula, 10 into 7, 70 centimeter. Now dimension of floor is given 14 meter and 12 integer 1 upon 2 meter. Okay, it is we have found in centimeters square. So this one also we have to convert into centimeter. Okay, because we need to find number of tiles, that time unit should be same. So 14 meter when you will convert, so we have to multiply with 100. So it will get you will get 1400 centimeter. Okay, here also 12 integer 1 upon 2. So 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2. And when you will convert into centimeters, so we have to multiply with 100. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. So 25 into 50 centimeter, what you will get? 1250 centimeter this breadth. Now after getting length and breadth, you will find area of floor, length into breadth. Length is this, breadth is this. Multiply, you will get this answer. Now we have to find required number of tiles. So for finding number of tiles, I gave you the formula area of floor upon area of tiles. So area of floor, this from here, and area of tiles from here. When you will cancel both the 0, what is remaining? 175,000 upon 7. When you will divide, you will get 25,000 tiles. We know the cost of 100 tiles, it is given rupees 5. So first we will find by unitary method cost of 1 tiles, 5 upon 100 rupees. And if we have to find that for 25,000 tiles cost, so that time, so cost of 25,000 tiles, this rupees 500 upon 100 multiply with 25,000. So 0 will be cancelled. Then 250 multiply with 5, you will get rupees 1250 answer. Clear? So this is the cost. Now question number 18 you will see. In question number 18, a lane 180 meter long and 5 meter wide is to be paved with big bricks of length 20 centimeter and breadth 15 centimeter. Find the cost of the bricks that are required at the rate of rupees 750 per thousand. So that time, first dimension of length is given, length and breadth this. So we will find area of length, you will get this. Then dimension of brick is given, length and breadth in centimeters, so we will convert into meter like this way. 20 upon 100, 15 upon 100, so you will get 0.2 meter, and here 0.15 meter. Now area of brick you have to find, So length and breadth we have, so we can find the area of brick. Then required number of bricks formula we know, number of bricks, area of land upon area of bricks. Area of land we know that from here 900 meter square, that divide by 0.03. After decimal, here we can this number we can if you will not write 0 then also okay. Now when you will remove this decimal point, so after decimal 2 digit, so in numerator I can put 2 zeros. Okay, then it will be 90,000 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 times 0, 30,000 tiles we will get. Number of bricks we will get. Now cost of 1000 bricks is given rupees 750. So cost of one brick we will find 750 divided by 1000. And for cost of 30,000 bricks, so this one multiply with 30,000. 3 zeros we can cancel out. 750 into 30, rupees 22,500 answer. Clear? You can see like this. This is the solution. Now see next question.